afternoon, everybody. Normally you catch me out fishing, but today I wanted to try something a little bit different. I did a little bit of research this winter and went back in my family history, and surprisingly enough I found my great-grandma's grave, and nobody's really been taking care of it. With Memorial Day and stuff coming up, I think it's time that we start taking care of this a little bit. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys just a little informational on how to clean a gravestone. So as you can see, a lot of the areas on here have just gotten gunky, and we're going to be going through and just cleaning around the whole stone and just cleaning up the whole area. A couple things you're going to need is water, of course, and what we're going to do first is I'm just going to put a little bit of water on here because we want to get everything wet first. So after everything is wet, let that sit for a second. Another thing we want to use after doing a lot of research, this D2 biological seems to be the preference for cleaning the stones. Did a lot of research on this, and this seems to be the stuff. You can buy this stuff Amazon, Walmart, online. I purchased this one off of eBay. So what you'll do then is this stuff here is going to get rid of all the biological, the barnacles and stuff that are on here. So what I'm going to do is spray this down, and we'll just spray the whole stone generously. And while we're going to let that sit for a minute and soak, then we're going to hit it with a brush and a toothbrush to clean the crevices and stuff. So while we're letting that soak, I'd like to just go through. This is my grandma was Emma Louise Hardage. She was born on June 14th, 1856 in Hanover, Lower Saxon, Germany. So she actually was from Germany. Her father was Heinrich Hartje, and Gershi was the mother. She married my great-grandfather, Frederick Halke, on October 28th, 1888, in Poison, Minnesota. And then they had children: Frida, William, Ernest, Arthur, Alfred, which would have been my grandfather, and Irvin. And unfortunately passed away at the age of 61 in Pine River, Wisconsin, on July 27, 1917. So we let that soak for a little bit. So what now we're going to do is we're going to take this brush and just kind of start scrubbing away at it. And you can just see this is a granite stone. But with all the moss and the crud, scrub all the way around on it. And I'm really hoping, from everything that I've seen, is this should look like a brand new stone when it's all done. Done that, get into the crevices a little bit here with my toothbrush. front here really got crud. And also what I would recommend is maybe just pulling a little bit of this grass and stuff out of the way. Hence wearing the gloves helps. I'll probably make another video down the road, because I see her stone is a little bit sunken down in one end. I think with a little bit more research, I think we'll be able to fix that a little bit too. Being here since 1917, that's quite a while. So scrub this down a little bit more. Rinse it with a little bit of water and see how it looks. Wow, that looks like brand new. Got a little bit of stuff on the sides yet, but overall I'm very impressed with this D2. It really cleans it up good. And with Memorial Day coming, you just, you know, like I said, I'd done some research and I found that my great grandma was still here, and I never knew this. And I think it was kind of a surprise to my father also. I don't think he realized it. It was before his time also. But with Memorial Day coming, just take some time. Go find a loved one and put some flowers out, give them a little bit of respect, and give them a clean up. I think we're gonna spray a little bit along here yet and let that soak for a minute. Porous stone, so it's a little bit harder to get all them barnacles. But from what the research I've done, after putting this D2 on here, if you do miss a little bit, supposedly the sun, when it gets on there, is going to also kill the rest of it and prevent it from regrowing for a while. Crevices. I said it don't take much time, and like I said, I learned learned a lot from just the research that I did. And you're also just coming over and giving your respect, and so that I can just imagine what my great-grandmother would be thinking right now with everything that is out there with YouTube and the internet, the way phones and stuff are. Probably shake her head at all this. I think we got her pretty good. We'll give her one more dose. And there we have it. Thing looks very clean, very nice. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop a comment below. I'll link the D2 on the site, on the YouTube video. And also, like I said, it would be very much appreciated if you guys like and also subscribe to my upcoming videos. We'll be back out on the water here coming up shortly. But today I just wanted to respect my great-grandmother and get her stone cleaned up and make it look nice like it should be. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you again soon.